Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I do think this is a WXY pattern that we're seeing. I think that we're in a wave Y right now, which most likely this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave Y, because just like the wave X and the wave W, the wave Y should be 3 waves on shorter time frames especially. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe this over here is the wave A. 3 waves down, wave B. That makes this right here a wave 1. I think that makes this a big ABC correction for wave 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now, and I do believe over the coming weeks and months, probably even maybe even a year or more, we probably will be making higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, pretty much ever since we broke structure to the upside several weeks ago, we've been looking for longs in an uptrend. We are back up at the previous support area, the higher the wave B often is, where like a subdivision wave 1 will end. But until we actually get proof that it's over, like a nice break of structure, maybe on the 4 hour to 12 hour time frame, I would definitely continue to look for longs on sort of time frames because it very easily could just keep on going up, especially because I believe we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up. Definitely a very, very slow moving market the last couple of days so far this week. Kind of expected, it is the last week of August, and August is vacation season for most people in the world. It definitely did make 3 waves down, but I still kind of wonder if it might actually go down a little bit more, stop everybody out that tried to go long already before it actually does continue up. Either way, though, as long as it doesn't go down and break this structure right here, I'm definitely a buyer, and I'm definitely looking for buys at the end of 3 way pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now it definitely is already made where it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. Didn't quite hit a Fibonacci level. But the US dollar index is pushing down, so this is definitely pushing up. I mean, I would continue to hold a long if I was long on this, which I actually am. And if it does go up, make a double top and a very impulsive move down, you could possibly get out of your long and maybe go short because it does seem likely that it could go down and hit a fib level. The problem is you may look at this and say, oh, it's probably likely to go down and hit a Fibonacci level. But because we're in a wave 3 on the very high time phase, what is actually probably more likely to happen is it's probably more likely to just keep on trending because wave 3s are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. That's why I've really been emphasizing lately how important it is to trade with the trend when you're in a wave 3 on your higher roadmap time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.